All right, I got another topic, y'all. This topic: can white people do voodoo, or can white people practice voodoo, or can white people serve the law? And the answer, yes. White people can do voodoo. White people can serve the law, and white people can practice voodoo. All of those are very possible. 100%. Why? Why is it possible? Voodoo, in my opinion, is like more than a religion. It's like a science. It's like a sacred science. And if you follow the steps correctly, it's like basically taking a match, striking it, and putting it up to gasoline. Whether you know that a match is a match and that gasoline is gasoline, whether you know what they are or not, if you do that and you put them together, it's going to cause a fire. Whether you know that, hey, this is a match, and hey, if I strike it and I put it up against this thing, that which is known as gasoline, it's going to cause a chemical reaction. It's going to cause a fire. Even if you don't know that and you do that, it's still going to cause a fire. So in my opinion, that's kind of like how the same thing as white people doing voodoo. So basically, if someone teaches them how to do it, why in the world would they not be able to do it? Like, you feel what I'm saying? So, I mean, that's my opinion on that matter. If someone teaches them how to do it, they can do it.